Hi my country pipo, how una dey? Na newspaper review tori I bring una from Naija and all over the world. My name na Omogbemisola. The Nigerian Deposit Insurance Corporation don assure Heritage Bank customers wey get money with dem make dem no fear as process don already dey to refund their money. Na Bello Hasan wey be managing director of NDIC talk dis one come outside inside the press briefing where e explain the process of payment as e insist say the company no go take 30 days as law put am but settle all customers within 1 week. Dis further tori dey inside Daily Post. One state high court wey siddon for Miller Road don grant order of substituted service for national chairman of APC Umar Ganduje on top the accuse wey dem say e sell government property wey worth plenty billions of naira. Na Justice Aminu Adamu Aliyu grant the order after plenty talk between the two lawyers Nuraini Jimoh wey be senior advocate of Nigeria and barrister Zaharaddeen Kofa matter wey dem include Ganduje im wife Hafsat Ganduje, Lamash property and some other pipo. If una remember say na state chief judge Justice DJ Abdul Aboki transfer the case wey be alleged corruption wey involve Ganduje and 7 other pipo. Ganduje, im wife, son and 5 other pipo dey face 8-count charge wey border on bribery, diversion and misappropriation of funds and so on wey run into billions of naira. Kano state government tok say dem don gather 15 witnesses inside the suit dem file against Ganduje to testify against the 8-count charge. But inside today's ruling, Justice Aminu Adamu Aliyu grant the order say make dem serve Ganduje, im wife, son and others through placement in national dailies before e con adjourn the case till July 11. Another federal high court for Lagos don adjourn till June 25 the case against Pascal Okechukwu aka Cubana chief priest wey dem accuse say e abuse naira money. Na Economic and Financial Crimes Commission EFCC arraign Okechukwu on April 17 on top 3-count charge wey border on spraying and tampering with naira notes for Owambe wey shele for Eko Hotel, Lagos. E pleaded say im no dey guilty to the charges before dem grant am bail with 10 million naira. Dis further tori dey inside Daily Post. House of Representatives don attack organized labour where we have NLC and TUC say why dem go announce wetin dem describe as fake earning of im members to the public. Dem say na attempt to make public take bad eye look dem as dem call on the pipo behind dis to face judgement. House tok dis one come outside inside the statement wey dia tok Akinrotimi sign. The statement explain say House acknowledge the recent industrial action wey NLC and TUC undertake due to the breakdown in negotiation for a new national minimum wage, and they are pleased to note that the strike action has been suspended for 1 week to allow for further negotiation. Dem say Speaker of the House Abbas Tajuddin dey consis ten t dey advocate for living wage and better working conditions for workers. The statement explain further say the House condemn the shutdown of critical infrastructure like national grid and airports during the strike, and pipo wey dey responsible for dis must come and explain. Dis further tori dey inside Punch. Na Friday dem go bury Olubunmi Agbaje wey be first son of one of Nigeria's ogbonge politician Jimi Agbaje. News Agency of Nigeria NAN report say Olubunmi die on Monday, May 27, 2024 for Obodo Oyinbo, Canada. Olubunmi na first son of Senior Agbaje wey be former governorship candidate of PDP Lagos State and one of chieftain of Afenifere Renewal Group. E be 41 years of age before e die. After the burial, the family go later hold special memorial service for the late son in Lagos. Agbaje say im family, im faith don hand over the loss to God. The late son's mother too tok say im no fit describe their pain. The shock still dey there but above everything dem give in to the will of God. Na unquestionable God. Olubunmi wey dem dey call Funtime we hear say die of cardiac arrest. Before e die, e at ten ded elementary school for Corona School Ikoyi and high school for Atlantic Hall, Lagos. E later at ten d Ampleforth College for England for his A-level. E first start im university for University of Plymouth before e later transfer and complete im undergraduate studies for University of West of England with postgraduate studies for University of Birmingham. Dis further tori dey inside The Guardian. President Bola Tinubu don congratulate Ms. Claudia Sheinbaum today for her election as the first female president of Mexico. Na inside the statement wey special adviser to president Ajuri Ngelale sign, president also congratulate the Mexican people as e call for strength of bilateral ties between both nations across areas of mutual interest. Dis further tori dey inside The Guardian. Popular blogger Linda Ikeji don explain why her son Jace go continue to bear her surname instead of im papa name. Ikeji say things don be like dat since she born am 6 years ago and the boy dey free to change im name wen e don reach the age. Dis blogger tok dis one come outside on top her Instagram page yesterday wen she dey extol her kid cousin wey im name be Royan Kanu, wey she describe as the best little woman ever. Ikeji say Jace Ikeji and Royan Kanu be best friends wey dey grow up together as brothers. E say their love for each other no be small, always together, but some netizens don begin dey fire Linda Ikeji on top dis her decision to keep surname for the boy, as dem say dis one no be African culture. Dis further tori dey inside Punch. If una gbadun dis tori, make una help me subscribe, like, share and comment so dat we go dey notify una as other tori dey shele.